Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Ready Vamonos. Today we got something very special. It's Conchita's birthday. And if you guys remember last year and there's other videos that we had and also this year for my birthday, I got something different. I'm going to actually attempt to bake a cake. And I don't know how it's going to turn out yet. I got something in my mind, but it's gonna be a vegan cake. Not just any cake that you buy at the store, but a vegan cake. So let's find out how to make it. Alright guys, we got our flour, sugar, white vinegar, oil, baking soda, and salt. Apparently it said salt, so I just got that kind of salt. Alright, so now let's go over the recipe. And it says we're gonna be using 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of soy milk, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extracts, 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. So now let's get started with the first ingredient, which is going to be the all-purpose flour now. And we have our Mickey measuring cups that we got from Downtown Disney. Next is the white sugar, and we have it on a white bag. That says to make 1 cup, which is a big Mickey. Let's go put that in there. The easiest part, baking soda. And that says 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So this one says I need half a tablespoon of salt, but I only have this kind, which has this top. So I'm just gonna sprinkle that in there. Yeah, that seems like half a teaspoon, right? Yeah, half a teaspoon of salt. It's like a pinch. Now we're looking for the soy milk. Let's get that out. Which we got right here. Next on the list is going to be the, what is that? Yeah, the 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Actually, I really like vanilla extract. It always makes things taste way better. The sweet, sweet taste of vanilla. It's 1. And there goes a little bit too much. Next up is the oil, and that is about 1/3 cup. So far I almost used every single one of these except for the 1/3, which I'll be using now. Next up is the white vinegar. Now it says you can also substitute with apple cider vinegar. So if you want, you could do that, but I went ahead and got the white vinegar like it said. And that says 1 tablespoon of that. Okay. Now it's time to mix. So I think there's a problem. Problem is, I might have to mix it by hand instead of the little thing, the machine, the mixing thing, because I can't find it. Crab nuggets. It's not here. I think I do have to do it by hand. Oh. Alright, got the mixing done finally. Don't know if I did it right, but it looks right, you know, for cake mix, I think. I think it's supposed to be like that. One of the things I also got was, not this one, this one. It's supposed to be bake easy. Got this at Joann's. It's supposed to make it easy so that to pop it out from the pan. So let's go ahead and pour this and set our oven to the correct temperature that we're gonna be cooking this. Ready, set, go! Alright, that was a lot harder than I thought. Usually it's supposed to come down, you know, kind of like water. But this took a little bit more effort than I thought and didn't really fill up that pan. I don't know. But we'll see how it happens and see how much it rises. But are you guys one of the people that likes to lick the cake batter? I've never tried this, so let's see how it tastes. Actually, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Yeah. Not like any other oven. We're gonna be preheating it to 350 degrees. It's like almost anything that you bake sounds like it's always at 350 degrees. So let's go ahead and put that at 350. Which I'm hoping it's right there. It's clicking, it's trying to turn on. Do I have anything inside the oven? Oh shoot! There's something inside. It's a pan. I don't know why it's there. Now let's check on the oven and see if it's hot enough to put it in there. And I think it's gonna be about 30 minutes to bake, and then we're good. Alright, let's check out that oven. Ooh. It's hot. You guys can't see. There you go. Feels a little hot in there. Yeah, let's give it another like 10 minutes just to make sure it's nice and properly hot. Alright, let's put that cake in the oven. Check you guys out in 30 minutes. Alright guys, it's been about 30 minutes or so, a little bit more. Timer went off. So let's go check on this cake. Well, that cake looks like it still needs more time. Ooh. It's the next day, guys, and we took it out of the oven and got it out and bloop. Turned out pretty well. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut it through the middle right there, add some bananas. Then we're gonna be adding this chocolate frosting to it. I ended up putting the frosting in the microwave for like 30 seconds, more like 20 seconds, just to get it warmed up, make it a little bit easier to spread it around, I guess you could say. Turned out better. Next, let's go to Joann's and see if I can do a Rice Krispies something. Hey guys, sorry about that. So, you know, it's kind of hard to actually record and also do all this stuff, but at least you know how to actually make this vegan cake. Now, for the big reveal, here is the final product. I know, that's not probably the best BB-8 compared to this actual BB-8, but hey, it was the first time I've ever done using fondant and all that other stuff, so I think it turned out pretty okay, you know. But yeah, this took me about 2 days to actually make. First doing the Rice Krispies, and then putting the fondant in. Wow, it took a long time, but it worked. Now it's time for the big reveal when Conchita arrives. So she's about 2 minutes away. She's almost here. So I'm gonna have all the lights turned off. I'm gonna be in there trying to record her going through the door. And then we'll see how her reaction is. I already got BB-8 on top of the cake. Let's see if this year is a little bit better. Yeah.
Hey!
Come on. I got something for you.
You got something?
Huh?
I already saw it. I saw it.
Did you?
You made it?
Yeah.
Aww.
That's why it looks a little crappy.
It's the BB.
Uh-huh.
Nah, you didn't make it.
I did.
How did you make it?
Huh? We're gonna have to open them up.
Was it pure sugar?
Huh?
Is it pure sugar?
No.
That's scary. And you got churros from that one place?
Oh, yeah. Oh, and I got you this as well.
Oh, I wonder what it is.
No, you'll see. Do you even know what it is inside the box?
I have a hunch of what it is.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have guessed if there were these.
The little earrings.
I wouldn't have guessed. So you try them out?
Oh, I got one more for you.
I have to stay here?
Yeah.
How about now? Now? How about now? Oh! It's a really big box.
Yeah.
I already know what it is. I'm seeing it. Wow. It's an actual big, full-size machine. 2.5 ounces. That's a lot of popcorn. Popcorn maker.
Now you can make it just like Disney.
Did you really make that?
Yeah.
No way.
I did.
How long did it take you?
3 days. Cause I was also doing the Rice Krispie treats.
It's always made of Rice Krispies.
Yep.
Ooh.
Handmade from scratch.
I'm the one that cooks.
Huh?
Oh, I remember you told me, and I was like, no, you don't cook.
I know. You said like you don't know how to make a cake. Well.
Take a picture. You stuffed it with frosting.
More frosting inside. Because I couldn't think of anything else to put it in there. Still good.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's really good, actually.
Oh! It's all fondant.
Yeah. I don't even know how fondant really tastes.
It's sugar.
Okay. But I still don't know how it tastes. That's all handmade Rice Krispies.
All those Krispies.
Everything you see here except for the churros are all handmade.
See? I thought you store-bought this.
Nah.
Or some of it.
Well, except for the churros, yeah. Everything else I made myself.
Well, that's it. Continuation of this.
Yep. Now time for fishing. We're here at the Santee Lakes right now, and we're just not catching a damn thing.
We're here, 7 of us, completely, all of our 7 friends. We've been here since 10 o'clock. It's currently 1 o'clock, and we haven't caught a single thing.
No, nothing. And I've been the one that's actually been putting everything together.
He's been wrangling everyone, but
even you.
yeah, the fish are there. We see them, but
we just can't catch them.
Can't catch them. So. We're almost about to wrap it up. It's been good. Santee Lakes is nice.
Yeah.
I feel.
It's big
It's big. You get plenty of social distancing
from everybody.
everywhere. And very calm, peaceful. Bring your own little lawn chair and relax. So it's been good. How many fish have we caught? 0.
But I caught a big fat one, which was a sardine can.
Well, that's it for today, guys, and we're going to keep on trying to fish, and hopefully we'll catch something. If not, well...
Check out this picture of Armando and see what he caught.